About that time. We're gonna do a lot walk.
Take my chances and let you be free, 'cause the truth finds any lies. This will be my sacrifice.
What's up and welcome back. We're gonna do a full lot walk up here at Maple Motors. We're located in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check our website, maplemotors.com, for more information. We did just update the website with all new cars. This is our little showroom that we got here. We're gonna be walking out onto the car lot. I got, I think, 14 new cars, 13 or 14 new cars we just put on. We've got 2 Cobras available. Those are both 93s, different prices. You can call on them. We got the Boss 302 28.9 here. We got a 55 convertible 69.9. Y'all may have seen these 2 cars last week. I've got test drive videos out of every car on the lot, so definitely go through my YouTube page here. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're doing all the social media. Got a Chevelle sitting here. This is gonna be going on probably today. I'm gonna get some test drive videos of it put up. This looks like a 4-speed car, decoding the motor. I'm gonna check it all over. Looks like we got a big block under the hood. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got the Challenger, 31.9 on this one, 318 under the hood. Guys, definitely hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every day. You can see individual test drives and walkarounds of every car, including engine specs. Got a 56 Chevrolet here. Real nice and clean. All right, let's make our way out onto the car lot. We'll go ahead and keep this open for the day. Be sure to follow up maplemotors.com every week. I just updated that website, and that's where you can see all of our inventory. We're gonna start right here. Get some new stuff in. This one's gonna be going for a test drive today. We got it for $25.9. Try to keep up through the week. Nice pinstriping going around the back, dual exhaust. Pretty clean car. Heading on over here to a Charger. This one's gonna be 31.9 on. That's 1971 model. Right next to that for 29.9, got a 70 model Cornet. Picking up some Mopars here. You decoding some motors, Jason? Yeah. This is 1969 model GTX, 31.9. 19.9, got a 3-speed 1970 model Duster. It's all new stuff y'all haven't seen before. We're gonna be test driving all of them. Big sold section back here. I think there's 5 cars that are sold, so we're gonna skip on up to some stuff that's available, which is pretty much the whole rest of the lot. Go up for 19.9. This is a 4-speed 57 Chevy. Cadillac Coupe de Ville 1972 for 12.9. Got the wire wheels on it. For 10.9, 1977 El Camino. 94 Caprice wagon, 79.50. Picked up another wagon here. It's also 79.50. It's a 82 model, the 305 in it. Look at this one, the Sundance Satellite. Very cool. 1974 model. Man, this is retro looking. I've already sold the 69 Camaro, I believe. Got the 72 Monte Carlo for $21,900. It's a 4-speed. And guys, if you noticed last week, we didn't have this nice pretty road. I'm very happy they finished that. Our cars are getting destroyed with dust. This is a 71 model Chevelle, $21,900. Another new piece, 1969 Chevelle for $25,900. Another 69 Chevelle for $23,900. Got the old GTO, I believe it was a 68 model. $29,900. '55 model Chevy Bel Air, $31,900. '79 Z28, $17,900. Got some color up here this week. Looks like some new vets we picked up. This one here is a 1981 model for $12,900. Got a pretty red one here, $13,900. That was a 79 model. Right next to that for $26,900. It's a 4-speed car, 70 model. Side pipes. Got a 77 model for $13,900. Right next to that, a 4-speed Mustang, $31,900. I believe that was a 65 model. $25,900. We got a 73 Camaro. Right next to that for $26,900, I believe it was a 67 Nova. Both of these cars here have AC on them. One's $13,900 and one's $14,900. Picking up a few more Mustangs here lately. We're gonna head on to the back. I got a few new trucks to show y'all. And then we're gonna do a recap all the way around the lot and get started on some test drives today. Very excited to get to work. 17.9 big block C10 we just picked up. It's got a pretty neat paint job on it. I like the two-tone. It's like disc brakes on the front. This one's back available. It's a 1967 model C10 for $15,900. And yes, it is available. 1955 model Cameo truck. It's $34,900. Like I said, pretty much all of these, well, actually all of them are going to be on my website, maplemotors.com. Definitely check that out. We'll get you hooked up with the car that you want. Right here, we got a 65 model C10. Disc brakes on the front. Looks like we got 16.9 on it. We kind of glance towards the back, and then we'll head back up to the front. Got the Jeep Rubicon for $12,900. Got the old El Camino for $79.50. Chevrolet pickup, $69.50. That's 4-wheel drive Z71. For $49.50, a 69 model Falcon. Not too bad. What is this, an Equinox 05, $49.50? Not normally what we sell. Camper, it is available. It'll be on the website. It's fairly cheap. El Camino's not too bad. I like the two-tone, nice and shiny paint job. Rubicon's a good daily driver, so check that out for sure. Ranger, I believe I've already sold. I think that was a guy in Colorado. 14.9. This is a low mileage single cab pickup truck. Step side. This is a 94 model. Got the flatbed truck. It's a 70 model. Oversized wheels, keg for a gas tank, side pipes. 15.9. I don't believe he's selling his new truck. Maybe he just wanted it washed. That's probably why he put it up under here. Big sold section here. What we're gonna do is a little recap and end in the showroom. Just kind of glancing over some of the cars. That way, if you see something you like, go to my website, maplemotors.com. I have financing, shipping, 100 detailed pictures. And then you can jump here on YouTube, watch test drives of each and every individual car that we have, because we sell these cars all over the nation. We do the videos, that way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We don't like that scenario. People tell us all the time, they say, man, I drove 400 miles and Joe Blow told me this car was solid. Well, here we'll show you. We'll do our best to describe all the vehicles. That way there's no mishaps. And in the beginning of the video, I told you about TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram. So go ahead, jump on over there. See plenty of videos and all the new inventory. Lots of new stuff out here on the lot. Give you an idea, we pick up 10 to 15 cars a week. And typically that's how many we sell a week. So always gonna be turning inventory over and getting some new stuff. Go ahead and cruise through the showroom one more time and I'm gonna get started. What's going on? Definitely the first test drive I'm gonna do today is the true Ss Chevelle sitting here. We got it for $37,900. That is a 4-speed car with a big block. This one's a 72 model Challenger for $31,900, 318 under the hood. I do have videos of this one out. I've also got videos of this one out. It's a 56 model Bel Air. One of my favorite color combos. The blue and white with the blue and white interior. Coming on back this way, we got the two 93 Cobras. And we've also got the 71 model Beetle convertible. The Chevelle in the back corner is already sold. Don't call about it. Boss 302, 28.9. Not a real Boss. Just a clone car. And then the 55 Chevy convertible, $69,900. Most expensive car on the car lot. You can call about the Cobras. I'm not sure if they've actually put them on the website yet. We're just stacking up on them, apparently. They don't ever put them on the website, but people call about them all the time and they are available, so. Like I said before, maplemotors.com has all of our inventory. If you don't see it on there, you can give me a call. Otherwise, it's probably already sold. All right, guys. About to get back to work. It's test drive time. I appreciate y'all watching. Help me out by sharing these videos. Tell your friends. It really does help us out quite a bit. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again.